Hello and welcome to this IBSA series of podcasts on considering countries to where UK residents may wish to emigrate in light of the non-dom changes introduced by the Conservatives and the likely tightening of these rules under the new Labour government, including bringing foreign trust assets within inheritance tax, an increasing capital gains tax rate to income tax levels, and particularly those aiming at fund managers. My name is Roy Saunders, founder and chairman of the IBSA, the International Business Structuring Association, which is a multidisciplinary global association of entrepreneurs and their professional advisors dedicated to sharing their expertise with each other within a great networking platform. Our current series of 15-minute podcasts will review beneficial tax regimes in Italy, Spain, Portugal, Malta, Cyprus, Switzerland, Singapore, and Dubai. So today I'm joined by Darren Joseph of Moores Rowland Asia Pacific, who's an international tax advisor primarily based in Singapore, but who seems to be popping up in lots of other countries as well, and who has worked in international finance all of his adult life. Darren, we've had a lot of chats together.
Roy, thank you very much. Once again, it's an honor and privilege to have a quick chat with you. My name is Darren Joseph with HNWI, which is a member of Moores Rowland Asia Pacific. So we're a team that seeks to demystify the sometimes confusing world of cross-border tax, working with private clients all over the world.
Could you start perhaps by talking about Singapore's popularity for high net worth individuals?
Now, in terms of the popularity of Singapore, I've been based in Singapore for just over 10 years now. And I think its reputation does precede it. However, just looking at the data, the vast majority of immigrants into Singapore are actually from within Asia itself, from within the Asia Pacific region. The population is about 6 million people in Singapore. Roughly 40% are international talent, so workers from outside of Singapore on temporary work permits. And that includes permanent residents as well, but 60% citizens. So in terms of the overall topic that you're seeking to explore, there are only about 50,000 Brits in Singapore, so that's quite small by comparison. There's a lot of data out there for those who really want to get into the data. Unfortunately, sometimes a lot of it is advocated by private sector organizations, which may or may not have their own agenda. But, be that as it may, you can question the methodology. But Credit Suisse Research Institute, I think they do a decent job at pulling out data. And they do a global wealth report every year. And according to them, there are about 330,000 millionaires in Singapore. And they break that down into how many ultra high net worth, I guess, with assets in excess of 50 million, and those who are just regular high net worth. So roughly around 7% of the adult population in Singapore are millionaires. And they expect that number is going to jump to over 430,000 come 2025.